Imagine a world where reality and the digital realm intertwine seamlessly. Welcome to the era of the Apple Vision Pro. This revolutionary device, a product of over a decade of relentless innovation and development, is set to redefine the way we perceive our surroundings. But what makes the Vision Pro so special? Well, for starters, it offers mixed reality capabilities, creating an immersive experience that allows users to access entertainment, work, and task-based apps while still being aware of their physical surroundings. It's not merely about the technology, but it's also about the personalized fit. Buyers will need to complete a head scan with their iPhones or iPads to ensure a proper fit. For those who wear reading glasses or have prescriptions, worry not. The Vision Pro can accommodate readers and prescription inserts for an additional cost. Let's talk storage. The Vision Pro comes in 3 variants, each offering a different storage capacity. The base model, priced at $3,500, offers 256 gigabytes of storage. The mid-tier model offers 512 gigabytes for $3,700, and the top-end model boasts a whopping 1 terabyte of storage for $3,900. The anticipation around the release of the Vision Pro has been nothing short of electrifying. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo estimates that the company sold between 160,000 to 180,000 units during the first pre-order weekend alone. It's clear the Vision Pro is not just a new product, it's the dawn of a new era. With an estimated demand of 160,000 to 180,000 units during the first pre-order weekend, the Vision Pro is undoubtedly a game changer. The Vision Pro isn't just a headset, it's a technological marvel. Diving into the technicalities, the Vision Pro is a treasure trove of innovation and precision. The dual micro OLED displays that this headset carries are incredibly pixel-dense. To put it into perspective, they pack an astounding 12,078,000 pixels into less than 1 square inch. That's a pixel density of 3,386 ppi, a figure that completely overshadows the iPhone 15 Pro's 460 ppi. But what does this mean in terms of visual experience? Well, these displays might not be 4K, but the high pixel density compensates for it. When these displays are close to your eyes, the result is an image so sharp and detailed that it's like gazing into another dimension. Indeed, the Vision Pro has a PPD, or pixels per degree, of 34. This is an impressive figure, especially considering how close the displays are to the eye. The Vision Pro's displays are likely custom-made by Sony, further testament to Apple's commitment to collaborate with the best in the business to deliver top-tier technology. This collaboration ensures that every pixel, every detail, every color is not just an image, but an experience. As for repairability, the Vision Pro was awarded a provisional repairability score of 4 by iFixit. This indicates that while the Vision Pro is a complex piece of technology, it's not entirely inaccessible for those who might need to do some tinkering. With pixels the size of red blood cells, the Vision Pro offers an unparalleled visual experience. The Vision Pro isn't just about seeing, it's about experiencing. This revolutionary headset offers a level of immersion that takes you beyond the boundaries of reality into a world where the digital and the physical realms blend seamlessly. Imagine being able to access your favorite work and task-based apps with just a glance. No more scrambling for your phone or laptop. The Vision Pro brings everything right in front of your eyes, all while keeping you aware of your physical surroundings. It's multitasking taken to a whole new level, but it's not all work and no play. The Vision Pro also caters to your entertainment needs. Whether it's gaming or exploring the fantastic worlds of augmented reality, the Vision Pro has got you covered. You'll be able to experience moments of awe and wonder, all from the comfort of your living room. That said, there are a few caveats. As of launch, the Vision Pro won't support streaming apps like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. But don't let that dampen your spirits. It's a small hiccup in what promises to be an exciting journey into the future of mixed reality. In fact, the Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a platform. It's a new way to interact with the world, a new way to work, to play, to learn. It's a glimpse into a future where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. The Vision Pro is more than a headset. It's a vision of the future. It's a promise of what's to come. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Vision Pro is blurring the lines between the digital world and reality. It's not just about seeing, it's about experiencing. It's about living in a world where our digital and physical lives are one and the same. It's about embracing the future today. In the world of tech, competition is inevitable. As we delve deeper into the mixed reality universe, let's not forget about the other players on the field. The Vision Pro's most direct competitor is none other than Meta's line of MetaQuest headsets. The MetaQuest headsets have already made a name for themselves in the VR market, offering a fully immersive experience. The question now is, can the Vision Pro shake up this established order? Apple has set its sights high, aiming to ship between 300,000 to 400,000 units of the Vision Pro within this year alone. With prices starting at a hefty $3,500, this could generate up to $1.4 billion in revenue. That's quite the ambitious goal, but if any company can pull it off, it's Apple. The battle between the Vision Pro and the MetaQuest headsets is not just about unit sales or revenue figures. It's a contest of visions, a race to shape the future of mixed reality. On one hand, we have the Vision Pro, with its stunning visuals, high-resolution display, and mix of entertainment, work, and task-based apps. On the other hand, we have the MetaQuest headsets, with their established user base and focus on immersive VR experiences. Both headsets have their unique strengths and cater to slightly different markets. The Vision Pro aims to integrate digital and physical worlds, allowing users to stay aware of their surroundings while interacting with digital content. The MetaQuest headsets, on the other hand, are all about escaping into virtual worlds, providing a fully immersive VR experience. These two tech giants are not just competing for customers, but for the very definition of mixed reality. Will it be a tool for enhancing our daily lives as Apple envisions? Or will it be a means of escaping into entirely new worlds, as Meta proposes? In the battle of the headsets, who will reign supreme? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure. In this race to shape the future of tech, we, the consumers, are the ultimate winners. The Vision Pro is more than a gadget. It's a glimpse into the future. It's the culmination of a decade's worth of development, pioneering a new path in the realm of mixed reality. With its high-resolution display, task-based apps, and awareness of physical surroundings, the Vision Pro isn't just a tool for entertainment, it's a device that reshapes the way we interact with the digital world. This headset brings us an unprecedented level of immersion, thanks to its dual micro OLED displays that house over 12 million pixels in less than a square inch of space. The pixel density of this device is a staggering 3,386 ppi, a figure that far surpasses any other device in Apple's lineup. Despite the absence of popular streaming apps at launch, the Vision Pro still boasts a robust library of applications. From Adobe to Microsoft, big-name developers are already on board, and with over 600 updated apps, the possibilities are immense. Notably, the Vision Pro is also set to revolutionize remote work, with support for enterprise meeting apps like Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and Zoom. As we look toward the future, the Vision Pro's potential influence on the tech industry is undeniable. With an anticipated revenue of up to $1.4 billion this year alone, it's clear that Apple is once again leading the charge in innovation. Yet, it's not just about the numbers. The Vision Pro is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This device is just the beginning, and we can expect to see more groundbreaking advancements in mixed reality technology in the years to come. As we step into this new era of mixed reality, one thing is certain. With the Vision Pro, Apple is changing the game.